Yes guys, we are back with yet another interesting vlog. Today, me and a couple of friends will be going go-karting at the Dion Recreational Center. And that's my guy, Ellie360. That's him over there. That's James. Once we get there, they will introduce themselves. So stay tuned. We have two of our friends, two our biker boy. Today is going to be very fun. Don't forget to like the video, share it and subscribe if you enjoy content like this. Let's see how the day will go. Guys, let's go. This is my machine for today. Kind courtesy of Mr. Wise, aka S-Wise Auto World. Touchdown here at the Dion Recreational Center. Unfortunately, the go-karts have broken down, so we want to see what they can do for us, because we can't come here without racing, bro. We can't. So we will improvise. So we'll keep you updated. Tim, yes. Let's go. Bro, do you remember the last time we came here?
I do.
Okay, bro, where are we today? And what are we doing here today?
Today we are go-karting. We went go-karting. We didn't go go-karting, we went go-karting. Having fun, jamming. I'm here with Mr. ISSALINKOP.
Yo! If it's so, you already know.
In God we trust. But there was a skating rig around.
Yes, it was at the other side. If you've not seen the video we did here earlier, click somewhere up here or up here to check it out. Now that's Asari Ben Asa9 retard baller. I'll see you later. The last time we came here, they didn't have this. They didn't have like a mini pool. They've really improved. Really. Unfortunately, we won't be able to do the go-kart because majority of them are broken down. Yeah, so we'll look for something else to do. So guys, we definitely have to come back here to race just like we did the other day. So for now, let's head all the way to my homeboy's shop and check out this amazing ride. I know you guys are going to love it, so stay tuned. So guys, we are currently here at Auto Detailing all the way in ISSALINKOP, and I must say, Charlie, these guys, they build some of the craziest machines we have here in Ghana. I will leave their handle here for you guys to check them out. But for now, let's go inside and speak to the engineer who did the work on the machine we're about to see. Chee!
Well, people know me by Big L, DJ Big L, and DJ. Behave yourself. Yeah. Anyway, so yeah, we did a few mods on this bus, right, which is it's a luxury bus for a client, right? And let me walk you through it. So what we have here is a kitchen, a bathroom. The kitchen has a fridge, freezer, a microwave, you know, obviously your WC, and then all the electricals here and there. So in here we have a 4G dual SIM Wi-Fi, right, to run the system, and then we have a control panel here which controls all your appliances and a few relays and fuses, right? And then here we have a 2 kVA pure sine wave, which is showing me that we're running out of juice. Yeah, and then 8-core processor, Android iOS computer, okay, which runs the multimedia. Yeah, and yeah, this is like a cute kitchen, toilet, the extractor, everything. So you know, you don't need to stop at Linda door and use yourself. Yeah. So let's go into the cabin. Okay. So this is it. You know, obviously we can't play music because of copyrights, but yeah. As you can see, full multimedia system. Let me go out of this. So you have your Spotify, Amazon Prime, YouTube, VLC, Netflix, everything at your fingertip, on the go. Yeah. 1080p video. The sound system, you know, quite loud, right? And you can operate everything individually by all the screens. So right under the footwell, we have speakers there for when you wanna.
The sound is coming from beneath. Wow.
So yeah, I mean, when you're on the move and then you decide to park somewhere with your family, you don't have to open the door and enjoy your music or your radio or whatever. You know, just activate the switch here, and the speakers under the footwell will give you your music. weeks, especially the partition, because the client wanted to partition it so the driver doesn't have access to them at the back. This alone took us about 2.5 weeks to build, you know. And yeah, I think I'm happy with the build. The welding, because to do the fabrication, you need to have the framework. You know, it's like building a house. You need the foundation, and then from the foundation on, it's easy. You know, so that was the challenging bit. But after that, everything else is just straightforward. So, bring your car. Make me spoil them.